Otherwise, winds gusting for us in the mountains as well. Closer look in here at the mountains. Boulder Airport, 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts, 72 in Berthoud Pass, 15 in Aurora. We're seeing a little bit of wind out here across the metro area, but in Denver, our wind comes tonight. The highest fire danger and those strongest winds along the Highway 93 corridor between now and 6 p.m. In Denver, our winds will mostly arrive tonight. So in Denver, we have not seen much wind yet. That was the forecast, just to be clear about it, and our wind will move in tonight and tomorrow morning. Now, in Denver, the wind not nearly as bad as what we're seeing here in Boulder, but still 40 to 60-mile-an-hour winds. You're going to notice the wind, no doubt about it, tonight and tomorrow. Then those winds taper off tomorrow afternoon. Here's the point of concern. Very, very dry air mass, very low relative humidity, very little water in the air mass. In Boulder, 60 to 100-mile-an-hour winds between now and about 6 p.m. Then those winds relax tonight. In Denver, though, we kind of flip it around. Our winds will be strongest after 5 p.m. as that mountain wave breaks down, pushes that wind down into the metro area. It will stay windy into tomorrow morning. Other note, a lot of delays out at the airport today. Those will probably stick around for tonight as well.